Back to MathHacks Tech tricks. Today we are going to look at some questions from our EoG and EOC. And this question is looking at telling you what concepts or topic is this. If you know it, I know some of you can look at it from a glance and tell. Some it will find it very difficult. But if you look at it, this is not about shapes, although it looks like a square or a rectangle with a diagonal. But you can see that there are angles over here, which gives us a clue that it's more than just shapes. So if we look at this question, we can look and tell that this transversal, this diagonal becomes a transversal, which takes us into our parallel and transversal line. So you use this one to tell. You can see that the alternate interior angle is on the opposite sides of the transversal, and they are equal. The blue line, the blue color, it's equal, right? So when we go back, this is also on the opposite side of the diagonal, which is the transversal here. So it means we can use the concept of alternate interior angle to solve it, right? So we can just equate these two expressions. Okay, we can equate these two expressions to form an equation which help us to solve for the value of x, since the question says solve for the value of x, right? So we are going to equate these two expressions. We are going to have 2x plus 15 equals to 6x minus 45. Then I will subtract 15 from both sides, so I'm going to do minus 15 here and minus 15 here. This cancels out, gives me 2x equals to 6x minus 16. Then I subtract 6x from both sides. All right. So if I cancel out, this finally gives me negative 4x equals to negative 16. Then I divide both sides by negative 4. Finally get my x to be 15. So since I found my x to be 15, I can verify my answer on my results. I can verify my results by testing it. So to test it, we are going to have 2x plus 15, right? So we multiply 2 times 15 to get 30. So if we do 2 times 15, we get 30 plus 15. So that gives us 30 plus 15 to give us a 45. So it means this whole angle here is a 45 degrees. So you can test this one. 6 times 15 minus 45, and this gives us 90 minus 45, which also is 45 degrees. So it tells you that this angle here is also 45 degrees. So it means these two angles are equal. So the value of x is 15 from just as we solved it.